Hi, my name is Alvaro. I am 34 years old and I have retinitis pigmentosa, also called RP for short. I have decided to make this channel to help people that care about me find more about my disease and how I deal with it, and to help others that suffer from this same eye disease deal with it in a better way. I really think we can help each other if we are able to understand that having this disease is not the end of the world. It's just something that you need to deal with. And it has its challenges, as everything in life does, but it certainly is not as complicated as many people think it is. So I hope this channel is going to be helpful for you and your family, and it's going to be very interesting to be in touch with all of you. So thank you for visiting, and we will talk soon. Thank you.